I was debating whether to cut it next month.
Yo, day 9 I think it is, in Stelvio, day 9 in Stelvio, on the GS boards again. We're on a bit of a steeper hill today. Up on here, I don't know if you can see that. On a bit of a steeper hill. We were over there yesterday, for context. Steeper and flatter, so we're on the steeper hill today. I'm working on just trying to stay sort of taller or narrower stance at the top of the turn, and then getting on the outside ski really well. It was pretty successful yesterday, these past 2 days on GS skis, but it was a pretty easy piece, so today is going to see a bit more of a challenge and see if I can keep it going successfully. Close one, almost fell over. Just done warm up, now we're going to go have a look at the course, select the course, and then get into training.
You feel the ski, just like we said, go in and tip, and you feel that, and you feel you come against it when the angle's the most, and then you release it.
The reason why we hit gates differently in slalom and GS is because there's a flag in the GS gate, so it's like 2 and then a flag in between. We hit them to go a shorter line, which obviously is faster if all things equal. Sometimes people try and hit them too much, which isn't good. And yeah, we sort of brush through them with the padding, so we wear them. Yo, we are skiing GS, had a few runs and a slip. Pretty easy, still pretty easy. Going well. Yeah. Going to try to bend the ski a bit more than I am. A bit more aggressive, a bit more aggression. That's what I'm doing.
I don't know
Get him on camera. It's great.
Yeah, look at Gabe's hair.
Great. Yeah, that's interesting.
Where's Gabe's hair?
So give us a main review.
Go on, show the back, Gabe. Look at that.
It's like a mullet review, isn't it?
Majestic.
Not the day. Again. It's pretty rough actually. It's just like I'm just having a real.
It's just like you get stuck in these little troughs, don't you?
Yeah. Keep going, Finley. You can't
Yeah,
regress
I'm
to
become a
slalom.
slalom specialist.
No, don't do it, Finley. Stay strong. Stay strong. I feel it. Come on, just not fight the urge.
I don't know so can do it.
Yeah,
Just Finley having a bad old day.
There's some steep grooves on the flat.
Sometimes GS is like that.
And it's like you can't
Can he find the rhythm?
can't find the flow.
Can he find flow?
Anyway, we'll take advantage of the next 2 runs at the top. It probably turns a touch more as well, so it would make demands on you making that angle a little bit more. Okay, so yeah, let's see if we can do a turn in a shorter space, and linked with that, I want you to keep the work up of your lower legs and your shoulders, so ultra clean. And yeah, I just want you to try and put more energy into the turn by tightening it up, and then boom, and then come out. Okay, let's try.
So long, I don't know, like I never was going down, so I have to go up that lift to get down. Taking forever.
I wasn't sure if I liked the hair. I had a nightmare last night that it got cut, and I was like, I think I've now realised I actually quite like it.
Yeah, because you obviously were going to cut it after the season, weren't you?
I was debating whether to cut it next month, but no, I think I'm going to have to keep it.
You should, Gabe.
I'm on my own today. Finley's not having fun. We are done for the day. Gabe, do you want to sparkle it up? I can smell Finley's gloves from here. They're a bit smelly. Look at those gloves, right? They're meant to be white. But yeah, smell them from a mile away. So that's us done for the season. Not the season. Not done for the season. We've not started the season yet.
Next year.
Yeah. We're done for the session. Home time. We don't have to pull, which is always a bonus. I like training with other people. We don't have to pull. See you down there for some spike ball, I imagine. As always. There. We found someone, World War I trenches. Stelvio is over there, obviously.
That's what I was saying.
And we've come for a little hike. We've been here before, been up there before, there's a bigger one over there. So we just come up here for some recovery, a little walk, a chill out, because we're all pretty tired and we're not going to do the gym today instead. We're stopping spikeball for once. 1 day off spikeball. We'll be back hard tomorrow. There's a little cave in there. In the trenches, see? So this is where I think this is where the Italians were and the Austrians were up there. They don't know the World War I history.
From there.
And the Swiss were down there.
That bit's really sketchy, by the way.
What's this, Gabe?
The little ski cross like this. World War I.
The wild Dave on a hike.
Should I parkour it? Yeah.
It's over, Finley. I have to hike.
Finley, I want to come down with you.
Don't come in then. Come into my little hole.
I can't get out. Oh, look at this. Chilling.
The mountains, Helter.
Oh, that took me and piss. Nip to the window. Ah! So a gun was in there, Finley. Huh? Gun was in there.
I just say that's gun. Gun go boom. Gun go boom. There you go, I know what I'm talking about. That's
History.
Can't actually see.
Material for my history lesson.
It's almost a machete, not machete.
Quite pointy actually. Here's my stick's better. Knock you out by there. Wow.
There's no running jacket, do you?
Gabe doesn't want to experience history.
I think that's from. Be careful.
What's that?
That's like a famous sculpture.
Bye bye, Dave.
so they can see it.
So that is day 9 done, I think. Good day doing GS. Another successful day, which is few and far between with me for GS, but we're getting there. getting there. This afternoon we went for a hike up to those trenches. We went up the trenches and it was good fun. Coach Dave wasn't the most pleased because we ended up going a bit rogue and up some stairs. It was a bit slippy coming down. He fell over. And then we were very immature and we were going to drive away. But, so we were going to go ahead and then drive away. But as I was going to drive away, I managed to stall the car and they caught up to me. So it was actually probably the funniest thing that could have happened in that scenario because it was very immature. But yeah, good day. Another day at GS tomorrow. See you there.